welcome back. I have got a special guest in the house today. Dun dun!
Yay!
It's Laughing Ananas!
Yeah. So should I introduce myself?
Please.
Okay, hi guys, my channel is called Laughing Ananas and on there I make crazy videos, funny videos. I make videos on real life issues in like a comedy sketch, whatever you want to call it. So that's what I do, and today I'm here with Chetna and we're gonna she is making me some crazy vegan food because now I've turned vegan.
Well, it's not crazy to begin with. A lot of the food I cook is vegan.
It is vegetarian.
Yeah, vegan.
Exactly.
So because I use a lot of oil instead of ghee, so it is quite a vegan. But I'm making aubergine curry because I had so many requests for this curry. And when I found Laughing Ananas is coming, sorry, I'm going to keep referring her as Laughing Ananas because she's not telling me her name. Ananas, okay, Ananas is better. Right, so
you know my name.
Well,
she forgets.
no, well, that is one problem, but you don't want to tell your name either.
Yeah, not yet.
Not yet. Right, so I'm going to get started with the curry. I've got a hot pan as always. So you are just going to watch?
No, I'm going to help you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I want to be involved in, what I'm going to eat.
Right. So I'm going to start with a tablespoon and a half of sunflower oil. To this I'm adding a teaspoon and a half of panch puran, which is Bengal 5 spice. The recipe is in my book Chaat Chutney in case you want it. So that goes in teaspoon and a half, and I've got 2 roughly chopped onions that go in as well. Now I'm going to cook this for 7 to 8 minutes until it's nice and golden. I'm just going to slice these aubergines into smaller cubes. This size cubes, and I'm going to chop all of this. Here I have chopped up 2 whole aubergines, enough for 4 to 5 people. And here I have got 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and I'm just going to mix it up and sprinkle all of this on top of the aubergine and give it a good mix. What this salt will do is extract all the excess moisture from the aubergine, and I'm going to leave this to rest for an hour, and then I'm going to come back to this. Right, so
can I help?
Yeah, so I'm going to get some tissue. The onions are frying beautifully. I've got some oil in another pan, and the aubergine which I soaked with salt and turmeric an hour ago. What happens is it's got all this excess moisture, and I'm just going to get rid of the excess moisture, and then you can fry it.
I'm scared of frying.
Are you scared? The onions are looking gorgeous, and I'm just going to add a teaspoon of grated ginger and a tablespoon of grated garlic. Give it a good mix and then cook it for a minute. The aubergines have turned lovely and golden, and I'm just going to get them out on a plate with some kitchen roll to absorb some extra oil.
So I'm just like almost done soaking this last batch of aubergines, and these are gonna go in there. Actually, I need to be putting that in right now. And the onions look so good that I'm getting very hungry just looking at it. And there's a very questionable chili here just lying around. I don't know what that's for.
That's if you want a bit of heat. I thought I'd ask you before I add it.
Yeah, I love spicy food.
Oh, good. The onions look fantastic. The garlic and ginger have cooked. Now I'm going to add just a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and around 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. This is because we're going to add some mustard in this, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of English mustard.
Ooh.
Well, in Bengali food you would use proper Indian mustard, but I can't find the paste here, and it is a bit time consuming to make the paste yourself. So
I had no idea you can put mustard in curry.
Yeah,
This was
so-
the first that I've seen it.
So that is everything in there. All the spices. You've got
It is.
200 ml of coconut milk because we're trying to make it vegan. If you want,
Yes.
you can add yogurt if you're not vegan.
Okay.
Yeah, you can add it.
There
to
is
this.
vegan yogurt, by the way. It's called
Oh.
Koyo, and it's really good.
Oh, so just
should I add it?
just add it to the thing, yeah. Actually, the turmeric is looking a bit weak, so I'm going to add another half a teaspoon of turmeric to make the color correct. And now you can throw in all the fried aubergine into this.
Let me take out
Yeah.
all of this first.
I could actually add 400 ml.
Let's see if we need it.
Yeah.
There goes the aubergine.
Oh, it looks amazing. See, you're not that bad. Your stirring
it
is
looks
alright.
really good.
I think I'm going to add another 200 ml of. Here you go.
Is it needed?
Yeah, it's otherwise it will have no sauce. Yeah, now it's better. So that's
You might have to add more turmeric.
So that is a total of 400 ml of coconut milk and all the fried aubergine. So that should easily serve 4 people. Now we'll bring it to a boil, and I'm going to get some coriander in.
Alright. That looks really good, by the way. I'm about to throw in some fresh coriander in this amaze curry.
Looks really good.
That is a lot of coriander.
But you know,
I
you
love
need to have-
coriander.
Oh, good.
I love coriander on food.
Well, that's always good.
Karu. I feel bad about not making my own roti.
Right, I have got some rice for us to enjoy with the curry. There you go.
Thank you.
And that's it, guys. Our aubergine curry in coconut milk is ready, and if I can just say how amazing it smells.
Oh my god, this is so good.
So you like it?
The
then?
coconut in it, so creamy. Sorry, I can't wait, but it's too good. Thank you for this.
Well, you can taste the mustard, but just enough. And the panch phoron, I will write it in the description box, all the spices that go into the seeds that go into the panch phoron. And can I just say again that please go and check out Laughing Ananas. You will love it, I promise.
We're actually doing a video for my channel too.
we
So
are.
you have to watch that because we're gonna eat a lot of food in it and we're gonna see who does it better, who eats it faster. So,
So
yeah.
I hope you've enjoyed the recipe because you've been asking for an aubergine curry for so long. Please do give this a go. Subscribe, thumbs up, and
Comment below
Yes.
if you made it, you tried this recipe, tell us how you liked it because we are loving it. I'm gonna go home and make this, not today obviously, but some other day. It's too good.
I'm glad you liked it. And so easy.
I love it.
It's done in minutes. Really easy. Bye guys. We could be chatting here all day, but
Yeah, sorry,
bye.
now I can't talk, I'm too busy eating, but bye! This is so good, dude.